Today I want to share with you this African couple painting. Yeah, actually this painting took me 72 hours. So working on this painting was really amazing. So I just want to take this time and share it with you. Whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist, but with this little tips my bio sharing with you can help you elevate your art to the next level. So painting amazing artwork like this actually from nothing to something. As you can see, we are developing on the artwork. So I took my time while painting. Actually, it was a commission. So like I said, painting it was really amazing. Every brush, every mix of color on the portrait was really amazing. And what I would tell you as an upcoming artist is, it doesn't matter how you start your work. Number one, sketching, like I always said in my previous video, if you want to get a perfect portrait drawing, just like as we are going on this one, you see as the whole artwork is changing, it's changing, you can see on the reference on the picture how we are working on the picture. So first of all, you have your sketching. You sketch because it's your sketch that will determine that which you want to draw. You understand? So like I said, I'm just here to spark your brain. Like whatever you want to do is about time and consistencies that really matter. It's your mindset. You understand? It's your mindset that determine what you want to achieve. I can remember very well why when I start this art career of a thing, and today I'm able to do works like this. When I come online, I have a lot of people asking me for, like, they want to learn. So I take that as a challenge, like let me come up here to share the idea of how I do my work, as you can see on this particular portrait. You understand? So it's really amazing having the opportunity to come up here and to share my art with you. It's nothing. There's nothing. It's not magic. You understand? There's no absolutely magic. As you can see, we are even about finishing the work. As you can see, how everything comes out very well. So all I have to tell you is keep practicing. Whatever it is, keep pushing it. You will hit it very soon. You understand? I'm just here to encourage you. You understand? There's nothing you cannot do. It's about your mindset and God. You understand? I gave you this talent because being an artist is not just, it comes with a lot of responsibility. It's all about patience if you cannot be an artist, because sometimes I understand how some of the work is going to stress me because process like detailing, you need your time. You understand? So hope today you learn something. So we are already finished with the artwork. As you can see, the couple now come out very well. So thank you for watching. If it's your first time, do well to subscribe and stay tuned for another one that I'm going to drop. It's going to help you all. Thank you. See you on my next video. Love you all. Peace out.